Hey everyone, today we're diving into 10 ways to create a delicious and nutritious dinner that will leave you feeling satisfied and energized. Let's get cooking. Grilled salmon with asparagus. Season salmon fillets with lemon zest, garlic, salt, and pepper. Grill until cooked through and serve with roasted asparagus and a side of quinoa or brown rice. Veggie stir fry. Sauté bell peppers, broccoli, snap peas, carrots, and tofu in a wok with garlic, ginger, and soy sauce. Serve over cooked brown rice or cauliflower rice for a low-carb option. Stuffed bell peppers. Fill halved bell peppers with a mixture of cooked quinoa, black beans, corn, diced tomatoes, and spices. Top with shredded cheese and bake until peppers are tender. Chicken and vegetable skewers. Thread chunks of chicken breast, cherry tomatoes, zucchini, and mushrooms onto skewers. Grill until chicken is cooked through and vegetables are tender. Serve with a side of whole grain couscous. Lentil soup. Simmer lentils with diced tomatoes, carrots, celery, onion, garlic, and vegetable broth until tender. Season with herbs like thyme and rosemary for extra flavor. Zucchini noodles with pesto. Spiralize zucchini into noodles and toss with homemade or store-bought pesto sauce. Top with cherry tomatoes, pine nuts, and grated Parmesan cheese. Baked chicken parmesan. Coat chicken breasts in whole wheat breadcrumbs and bake until crispy. Top with marinara sauce and mozzarella cheese, then bake until cheese is bubbly. Serve over whole grain spaghetti. Quinoa stuffed acorn squash. Roast halved acorn squash until tender, then fill with a mixture of cooked quinoa, dried cranberries, chopped pecans, and crumbled feta cheese. Bake until heated through. Veggie tacos. Fill whole grain tortillas with black beans, sautéed bell peppers and onions, avocado slices, salsa, and a sprinkle of cilantro. Serve with a side of brown rice or quinoa. Shrimp and veggie stir fry. Sauté shrimp with garlic, ginger, broccoli, bell peppers, and snap peas in a skillet with soy sauce and sesame oil. Serve over cauliflower rice for a low-carb option. And there you have it, 10 healthy dinner ideas to inspire your next meal. Which one are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching.